Hi guys, me Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage. And today we're going to be continuing the install of the trailer wiring harness on my dad's 2015 Toyota Highlander. So if you want to see us do that, stay tuned. So the first step is you're going to want to lift this cover. And as you can see all these clips. And you're going to have to take these off. So you're going to want to use this clip removal tool that we have. And you're going to want to go under the clip and apply leverage until it comes out like this. So after you've removed all those clips, you're going to want to take off this cover right here, which just takes out like that. And then this one, which you got to pull like this. Next, you're going to want to pull this cover on the driver's side right out, and it comes out like that. And next, you're going to want to take off this 10mm bolt right here. And now this whole thing will come right out. Next, you're going to want to take this wiring harness kit. This one we got off of Amazon, link in the description. And as you can see, this part goes into this. And you do it till you hear a click. And then this part goes into this. So there's a couple of things that we did here. First, we grounded this right here. And then, using this module right here, we put a 10-amp fuse in here. It's the red. And we plan on tucking this back here with the wiring so it's out of the way. So, next, we needed to get this to the bottom of the car. So we cut a slit right here using some scissors. So now you can feed this wire through this. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to start putting back all this stuff on the top in the order that you took it out. So now you're going to go to the front, and under the hood you're going to locate the fuse box, which is right here. And once you open it, you're going to want to put this 10-amp fuse right here. Yes, I think so. So what we did is we mounted this plug connector under the bumper, and the purpose of that is to take the wire that we ran under the car and to put it in there. So now we're going to test the electrical signal back here with this tester. That's the brake lights. The brake lights are working. That is the left turn signal. And that is the right turn signal. It looks like it's working. And that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. For more Mikey Macho Garage content, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Bye!